Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the first chapter of EVS for class 4. The chapter name is Going to School. Before we start the chapter, let me tell you something that this chapter is connected to. We are going to talk about Earth and different forms of landforms of the Earth and etc. in this chapter. So let us first have a general inquiry about Earth. The Earth is covered with land and water. We all know that there are a lot of seas and oceans and rivers on the whole planet. From that, 71% of the Earth is covered with water. 71% of the whole globe is first of all water. Whereas 29% of the Earth is covered with land. So only 29% of that globe is land and rest 71% is your water. See, this is the whole globe that you see. And you see this blue portion is water portion. So 71% is water and rest is your land. Now we are going to talk about different landforms. The Earth's surface is made up of different features. What are those features? Like mountains, hills, plains, plateau, island, desert. And they are called landforms of the Earth. What are they called? They are called the landforms of the Earth. The Earth has different landforms. We are talking about the whole blue planet. The whole blue planet has different types of landforms. The main landforms of the Earth are, we are talking about the Earth, that is the whole globe. That main landforms, which are there? Mountain, plains, plateau, desert, island, hills and valley. So these are the main landforms of the whole globe, of the whole Earth. Now we will see each one of them, how it is called mountain or why it is called plain or why it is called a plateau. We will start with first mountain. The land which is higher than surroundings and has steep slope and peak is called a mountain. Now which area will you call mountain? Mountain means the area which is surroundings has a steep slope. You know what is a steep slope? Means a slope where you can roll down very easily and you can come down. And when you are climbing, it is too hard to climb. So they are called steep slope. And a peak means it has a top like a triangle shape. So that is called mountains. The next one is plateau. So which landform will be telling plateau? The land that is higher than the surroundings. The normal surroundings, but it is higher than that and flat from the top. But like a mountain, it is not a peak. It is not in a triangle shape. It is flat over there. So it becomes flat. But from normal surrounding, it is at a height and it is flat. That is called a plateau. The Tibetan plateau is the world's highest plateau and it is also known as the roof of the world. Then the next one is plain. Flat land with gentle slopes is called a plain. The land is totally flat, that is where you and me, we all stand. Plain is useful for farming, making houses, roads, etc. So plain is nothing but where you stay, where you go to school, that all things in normal, in our situation, that is a plain, a flat land where farmers can do farming, we can make house, everything. So that is called a plain. Then comes your desert. Land that is very hot, dry and covered with sand is called your desert. We all know that a lot of sand is there. Desert means it is only sand. So it is hot, the climate is very hot over there, it is very dry and it is only sand. You won't find any regular, what in the plains what you find the land like, it is not there like that. It is only sand. So it is called a desert. Thar desert is the biggest one in the area in India. The next comes is island. You all know that island means a place where land is there, but the whole land is surrounded from all four sides with the water. The piece of land surrounded by water from all sides is called an island. So Australia is the largest island on the earth just now. But do you know near India which is the nearest island that we have? Yes, Sri Lanka is an island. So near to India, Sri Lanka is the nearest island. Other than that, part of India, Andaman Nicobar are the islands which India is owing. It is a part of India, and they are also island, Andaman Nicobars. Hill. Which area will we call a hill? The land that is higher than the surrounding. You are normal, but little bit at a height. Not like mountains too much high. Everest is a mountain, but hills are little bit smaller than the mountains, but little bit higher than your normal plain. The land that is higher than the surroundings and smaller than the mountain is called a hill. Can you tell me, if we are here in this Valsad region, which is the nearest hill you will find? Not mountain, but hill. Yes, Parnera is the hill that we find near to Valsad district. So it is a hill, it is not a mountain. Mountain is Mount Everest. And mountains usually we say it is a mountain, Mount Everest. But hills, we don't say it is a hill. We don't say Parnera. Parnera only we just say Parnera. But we don't put a hill in front of the name. This is the physical map of India where you can see this is the Thar desert, Rann of Kutch, that is the desert area. The rest of the India is also divided in, as India also has different land forms. We will see that which area has what. This is also the map of India with different districts and states and capitals of them. India has almost all kind of land forms. It has mountains. India is such a lucky country that mostly all landforms are available to us. It has mountains in the North India where you can see Mount Everest, plains mainly located on the banks of Ganga rivers, Ganges. So plain area is also found. The Central and Deccan Plateau, in the map where what we saw is Central and Deccan Plateau area also we have. Thar desert in Rajasthan and Kutch, hills and Andaman Nicobar islands. So as I told you earlier also that Andaman and Nicobar are Indian owned islands. The people of India live on different landforms and thus they use different kinds of transportation. Now one kind of transportation cannot work in all landforms where trains can go till whatever height or limit they can go, they will go. Other than that, either we have to take airplanes. So all different type of transportations are needed to reach to different kinds of landforms area. Like Assam, if you see, which is the eastern part of India, it is located in the northeast of India and near the foothills of Himalaya. If you see Himalaya, foothills means it is the base of the hill, the Himalaya mountain, it is the base, so it is called foothills of Himalaya. Assam and Meghalaya are the states which get highest rainfall annually and often get flooded. And in Assam, people make use of bamboo bridge to move from one place to another place. So let us revise once again that how many types of landforms did we see. So the whole earth is divided into these many landforms. Which are they? Mountain, plains, plateau, desert, island, hills and valley. So we have to see that they all are different in their own form and we have to learn this that they are different types of landforms. Thank you.